what will you say to the president and the NDC government?
God bless you.
Yes. There's one thing I know about our president. He does what he promises. He will not promise you 10 and give you half. Sit down. And I know all the promises he has made, he will fulfill them. Yes. 24-hour economy is coming. And I know one day, this assembly, you will come here midnight looking for your building permit. You will get it. Municipal Chief Executive, the presiding member, heads and reps of our security agencies, honorable assembly members, the regional director of YEA, invited guests, our hard-working director and staff of the Youth Employment Agency in Ledzokuku. Clap for them. It is a great joy and honor to be part of this very important occasion. The inauguration and presentation of certificate to 138 young men and women under the Youth Employment Agency's security models. Today, we will celebrate not just the beneficiaries before us, but hope, discipline, and the renewed spirit of national service. As Nelson Mandela, in blessed memory, once said, the youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. The Youth Employment Agency, through its various models, continue to prove that our future is not something we wait for, but it is something we build. By engaging our youth as a community protection assistant, fire service assistants, and police service assistants, the government and YEA are just not offering jobs, they are offering purpose. They are giving our young people a chance to serve, to learn, and to grow into responsible citizens who contribute meaningfully to the national security and community development. To our newly trained beneficiaries, I say this: service is sacred. Whether you are helping to protect lives and property, assisting in firefighting, or maintaining order in our correctional facilities, your contribution matters. Remember the words of Martin Luther King in a quote: life is most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Unquote. As you step into your various roles, let these words guide you. Serve with honesty, humility, and dedication. I commend the Municipal Chief Executive, the presiding member, and the coordinating director for their continuous collaboration with the Youth Employment Agency. I also extend heartfelt appreciation to the director and staff of EA in Ledzokuku for their tireless efforts in mobilizing, training, and preparing our youth for this noble task. To the security agencies, police, fire service, prison service, I salute your professionalism and mentorship. Your partnership ensures that our young men and women are modeled into disciplined, skilled, and patriotic individuals. As your member of parliament, I reaffirm my commitment to the youth empowerment and employment creation in Ledzokuku. Today, as of today, most of our young men and women from the constituency are undergoing training at the Ministry of Labor and Employment, I can report to you that their appointment will soon be given to them. Like the regional director said, there are more opportunities. If you've not gotten one, please exercise patience. And I can show you that by the end of the fourth term of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, most of our youth in this constituency will be in gainful employment. Very soon, opportunities will be given to our young men and women to join the armed forces. The process is ongoing, and as your MP, I ensure that the Ledzokuku gets its share. Let us continue to work together to build a constituency where every youth, friendship, not in living, but in living and thriving right here in Teshi and across Ghana. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let today remind us that when we invest in the youth, we invest in peace, in progress, and in prosperity. Let today remind us that when we invest in the youth, to the 138 beneficiaries, I say, go there and make Ledzokuku proud. Let your conduct and commitment reflect the discipline and integrity expected of nations protectors. The regional director was saying, in your duty, you'll be encountering a lot of challenges. And I know you are going to put the integrity of the service first. Don't let money influence your judgment. Be fair to our fellow citizens. To the men of this program, don't use this opportunity to go after people's girls. Deceit from unlawful conduct. I don't want to see you being drunkard. Know the purpose while you are in this service. Your family is out there looking up to you, and your little ones reflect in your everyday life. If you are being challenged with some issues, being family, marital, or anything, approach, especially see the MC. He's always at the office. You may find it difficult finding me, but when you see him, you see me also. Let's use this occasion to reflect on our past. But let me remind you, you are joining this service at the time when the three institutions are very, very, very challenged with logistical. I don't know, Commander, you're okay?
Commander is so.
No problem with logistics.
Oh yeah, no, how you so plenty. Just on my car.
So the government is doing our effort to provide the logistics that's required. I think the government or the president has voted 1 billion Ghana cedis to purchase equipment for the service. So I wish you all the best. I wish Ledzokuku the best. I wish the community police, the fire service, and president assistants very well. One prayer, like the governor said, before you end your 2 years contract, you'll be drifted into the main kingdom. And your display this morning shows that you are ready. For now, you are not yet policemen. You are police assistants, you are fire assistants and prison assistants. Very soon, you will get there. Thank you, and may God bless us all.